You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word from French, meaning to cut things, generally like paper. So I think in English it means cutting essentially, and I think it's a craft. It's used in English only for like a craft where you cut different things and stick it onto something else. But it's from French découpage, découpage. This is why in English it's pronounced as découpage. Some say it more as découpage, or découpage. French is a bit more découpage rather than découpage, okay? Découpage. The stress is more on the page syllable. Découpage. Easy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.